In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Canva design to your Wix website. Hi everyone, we're keeping this simple and clear so you can follow along even if it's your first time connecting content between platforms. The idea is to start in Canva, grab the link you want people to visit, and then place that link inside your Wix editor so visitors can click it from your site. Begin by opening your design in Canva. Make sure it's the final version you want people to see. Up in the top right corner, click Share. This is where Canva gives you options for making your design accessible, and it's also where you can get a shareable link if that's what you plan to use. You can link to your Canva design's share URL or any other page you want to send visitors to. Just have that link ready. Now switch over to your Wix editor. With your page open, look for the option to add a link. Depending on what you're linking from, you'll see this in the Elements settings or toolbar. This could be a button, a piece of text, or another clickable element on your page. The Add a Link option is what ties that element to your destination URL. Under Label, type the text you want your visitors to see. Keep it clear and action-oriented so people know what they're clicking. For example, My Photography Channel. Short descriptive labels work best and help with accessibility. Under URL, paste your link. For example, https www.example.com. Make sure the link is complete and includes HTTPS so it opens correctly. If you used the share option in Canva, paste that link here. If you're linking somewhere else, like a portfolio page, a store, or a gallery, this is where you put it. Under How does it open? Choose New tab for the most user-friendly experience. This is recommended because it keeps your site open in the original tab, while the link opens in a fresh one. If you prefer the visitor to stay in the same tab, choose Current tab. It's entirely up to your site's flow and what feels right for your audience. When you're happy with everything, click Apply or Done. That saves your link settings so your element becomes clickable on your site. Clear label, correct URL, and the right open behavior. Those are the key parts. And that's how to add a clickable link in Canva. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.